So let's just go straight into wireframe mode then. We select the face here, do an E and a Y, drag it out, return, and now go to edge select because I want to get rid of this middle face so it's a single object. So I'll do a little drag, make it orange, then shift and a little drag, shift and a little drag, shift and a little drag, right click. Now this context menu is a little different from what I've seen before, so I must have done some different keystrokes. Dissolve edges. I don't get all of the options I had before. That is only delete faces. So let's just escape that a moment. Let's do and try an X, see what we get. Oh, okay, if I do X and I get delete only edges and faces. So let's try that because I think that's what I want. The edges of that and the faces that are made up within that set of edges. Let's try that. Okay, so that has worked. The but that I'm not going to worry about right now is this point about you still have these things here. Maybe they're deliberate, but it just seems odd to me. Is there a way that I could, if I did, for instance, this? That's sorry, let's just drag, shift and drag. Now that is surely going to delete. If I do an X, what about collapse? What about limited dissolve? Dissolve the selected edges and vertices. What about the faces? Don't know. Limited by the angle of surrounding geometry. So I did that. If I now escape there, go elsewhere, come back here. Yep, okay. So that wasn't, so still got that kind of weird thing. Let's just, in fact, if I'm in edge mode, no, let's go to face mode then. Let's go to, and again, Y. Whereas if it's in face mode, that is surely a face, isn't it? Or is there no face there? Is there no face? And can I add a face? Let's have a look at what a face. Or if I go back to edge, drag, whoops, drag, and then shift and drag, 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 face. Don't really want an insert. What about a extrude faces along normals? Insert and poke. Solidify face. Try that. Is that now a face? I don't think so. Okay, that'll do for this.